Alrighty, good afternoon or good morning, good morning, good morning. How are we doing? How we doing? How we doing? How we doing? Currently taking a look here. Definitely looks like we won't load the day. High key. Let's go take a look at what names are on the watch list. Vigo trapped in this range still. Damn. Take two is just dumping. MSTR not really doing anything. All right, so take two was the ticker of the day for the watch list. Very, very simple, straightforward. It's the only thing that really triggered. Like, you close right below the put trigger and straight down we went. Literally. Close below this, straight down. Very simple. The watch lists are very, very effective. So if you're not taking advantage of those, you are missing out. Um, ESs, we need to see some type of retracement. Like, ideally back to 901. That's a bit of a stretch, but we don't really have too clean of a setup here. We're likely going down to low of the day here. We just need to find an entry model at this point. But very likely we got on to low of the day. Z scalar is still just dumping. What the fuck? But look at Snow. Look at Snow, baby. Look at Snow. Back alive like nothing. We're about to be in the fucking money. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I even told you guys yesterday. Sent it out in the alert room. I said, hey, Snow's gonna be in the money before the end of the week. Shit, it's the start of the week, and we're about to be in the money. Yeah, when it comes to swings, I don't really miss. Like, hell would have to freeze over in order for me to miss a swing. Truthfully. Let's see. How much are we up here? How much are we up? How much are we up? How much are we up? 66%. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. If you see me call out a swing, hold it. Don't touch it until I say trim. Let's fucking go. Great start to the week. That's so funny. Because I know a lot of people last week were like, oh my goodness, Snow's retracing. Snow's retracing. Buddy, listen, pay attention. When you have a trend, the market follows the trend, right? It follows the trend. Here we go, right? Look at this. I marked this out last week for you guys on live. What do we have? Down move. Then we have this little move here, right? Does this move take out this high? Yes or no? It's very simple. It's a simple yes or no question. If it doesn't, makes a lower high. Cool. We make a lower high. At this point, what do? We retrace again. Do we take out this previous high over here? No, we do not. Therefore, it's another lower high. Meaning what? Price is bearish. Meaning we're going to continuously pushing lower. What do we do here? Another retracement. What do? Do we take out this high? Yes or no? No. So you get another lower high followed by another lower low. What is that telling you? You got to use common sense. Common sense is saying the market is clearly bearish. So what should you do? You should be bearish with it, right? We see this retracement. We know every single time you see retracement, it's followed up by a down move, right? Simple. Trading is very simple. You guys overcomplicate it. Trade the fucking trend. If the trend is bearish, hold that shit. Nobody cares about the retracement. That shouldn't hurt you. That shouldn't affect you. If it hurts you, you probably shouldn't be trading. Truthfully. Like this little bit of consolidation means nothing. Because, hey, now we're up 65%. Cool, I'm sure we were down 30, 40%. That means nothing because the trade was never invalidated. It was just consolidating. Just because you're down doesn't mean your trade idea is wrong. It just means you're consolidating. But guess what? Once consolidation breaks out, you get a move like this. You get a move like this, where price literally goes, what? Down 10 points in a day. 6% in one day. It's that simple. But hey, you can't force everybody to drink the well. Some of you guys are going to use this information and take it and run with it. Some of you guys are just going to listen to the information and do jack shit and then just keep failing. Hopefully, you guys actually execute. I hope my audience isn't time wasters. I hope we execute the knowledge that I'm providing. It's very simple. It's going to make you money. It's going to. Now, in terms of NQ and ES, we're doing jack shit. Doing nothing. Literally nothing. If we can come back to like 68, 90, ideally somewhere around there, it's a decent spot to attempt a short. But like right here, oh, well, we did just get a new 3-minute. Let's see. All right, well, we potentially got a setup here. 3 minutes. 3-minute time frame. So puts below this. I don't even want to take calls. Because like the fact is we shot up here. Didn't even take the buy side. Yeah, I'm really only interested in downside, to be honest. Like, low of the day is right there. Just give us low of the day. I wouldn't even want to take the upside. If we do retrace, it could be very ugly retracements to the point to where we probably wouldn't make too much money on it. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We shall see. Waiting to print. Let's go. Welcome, welcome, Kenny. Well, we're already printing on snow. You should be in on snow. We're already printing. But yes, let's print on the day trades now. We could potentially print here if this 3-minute can close below this range. We just gotta wait 1 minute and 49 seconds. Patience. I think on snow, we are roughly up. And that quote, 4,900. Yeah, 4,900. Pretty good if you ask me. Alright, so it looks like we are going to get confirmations to the downside. But is it going to give us an entry is the real question. And what the hell is this little light blue line that I've never seen a day in my life on this chart? What is this? Where is this coming from? What is creating this? Did they update the indicator? They might have. Yeah, they might have updated the indicator. Anyway, yeah, we just need to wait for a close below 68.79. Close below that range, we see downside. Close above 68.82, we see upside. Do I want to take the upside? Not really. I'm not going to take the upside. We see upside, I'm not going long. You couldn't pay me to go long. I'm only interested in the downside. So hopefully we get some type of confirmation here. Hopefully. Alrighty, we're about to get confirmation. Hey, buddy, slow down. Come back. Come back. Come back. Come back. Something's telling me this shit might not come back. Alright. Kind of coming back. Alright, let me get to my lower time frame. Get to my 15-second. Yeah, we're probably going to take a premature entry here. Take a little starter. Got a little starter here. We'll add to it. Uh, a starter, people. Because too many of you guys fucking don't listen, and you clearly know I'm taking a starter, and then you fucking full port, and then if we get stopped out, who gives a fuck about losing $389? Because I personally don't. But guess what? Where you don't pay attention and you end up taking a full fucking position and you take a 10,000 position and it's like, well, guys, hey, starter didn't work out. I could care less because it's a fucking starter, right? I don't care. But then when you guys full port and you lose because you're not paying attention to the risk management plan, right? So listen, if it's a starter, starter. It's annoying. Like I want to see you guys succeed, but you guys gotta want to succeed for yourself too. Like the coach can't want it bad more than the player. It don't really work like that. It don't work like that. You guys gotta want it bad for yourself too. And that means incorporating risk management as well into your trading. Alrighty. It's a pretty good pullback. See if we can retest back into this range here. Ideally, hopefully. Oh, let's go see the IV of SPX. If the IV isn't fucking crazy, we're gonna jump in some SPX puts. IV is not crazy, so we're gonna jump in some SPX puts actually as well. Watching 6840 puts. 6840 puts. Mm. Oh yeah. This is how we do it. Mm. Alrighty, so a nice rejection so far. I like that, like the start of that rejection. Okay. 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 Decent rejection so far. Now we need to see pretty much break below this low. And we should fucking dump. Should dump, dude. Hopefully. Like right now. Not later. Right now. Please don't chop for the next 11 minutes and then wait for the 30-minute candle to dump. Because it's what ES likes to do quite often. So hopefully we could just push down here. Hopefully. But based on that 3 minute, I don't think so. I don't think we create the volume imbalance. I think we consolidate a little bit. just give us fucking load the day already. What we got going on? Yes, no, NQ didn't take out load the day. No. Alright. So yeah, pretty much because of that 3-minute volume imbalance, we're back inside this range. Ideally don't want to see a 3-minute close above 882. And confirmation to add would be a close below 876. If we break out here, personally, I wouldn't long it either. Price is likely just gonna retrace back to the hourly range. And at that point, I would rather just sit on my hands and wait to take the rejection whenever we push back up to this range, if we do. And then basically just short this back down to low today. At some point, it's coming back down to low today. I just don't want to sit here all day staring at my damn screen. Flip the candle red and dump. That'd be nice. This candle can close red, we're gonna dump. We're gonna dump very aggressively if it can close red. Like, we're probably gonna go way past this low, to be honest. Probably take out the relative equal lows. Realistically. Alright, we're jumping in these. Alright. I bid these 68.40 puts at 8.6. There we go. Keep fucking dumping. Don't stop here. Keep fucking dumping. Keep going down. Ah, this is annoying. It's going to be annoying. That's all what that's telling me. It's going to be quite annoying. The fact is that all we did was just come down here and sweep liquidity. Yeah, it's going to be ugly. The fact is that this candle just created a volume imbalance on open. Likelihood of this trade working out, it just dropped by like 50%. Because if this candle closes green, it's going to be ugly. We're going to chop if this candle closes green. Yeah. I'll take 50% on SPX if it wants to give it to us. There we go. Cool. Got filled at 9.4. Slight trim, slight trim. Not too fond of this price action. If this candle closes green, it's gonna get ugly. It's gonna chop if this closes green. So that's the main reason for trimming SPX puts. Um, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. 3 minutes left in this candle. Like if this candle closes red, beautiful, but the chances of it closing red very low, very low chances. Yeah, a nice close below midnight open. That'd be nice. Push down. That'd be beautiful. Like, just give me midnight open. I think that's the very least we could do. The very least you could do is give me midnight open. Give me midnight open. I got a limit here at 10.3. Putting a limit at 10.3 on the SPX puts. This handle just needs to close red. If it closes red, we don't. Just close red. Let me get filled at 10.3. Oh, I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled. Like, just shoot down real quick. Just real quick. Real quick. Just let me get filled. I could care less what the hell you want to do from there. If you want to chop like this, fine by me. I won't be part of it. I mean, it is a good close. This is a good close. This is a good close. 3 seconds left. All right, it's a pretty decent close. Pretty decent close. Let me guess. We chop back to the top of this range, retest this range again before pushing lower? Or can you give us midnight open? Like, I'm not asking for much. Asking for very little, actually. Can we do it? Is it possible? Parts of myself is telling me to be a little greedy here. Moving my limit. Limit's now 10.6. Limit order to exit is 10.6 now. Let's give us 10.6, bro. Today. Not in an hour. Not 2 hours from now. Right now. Give us midnight open. Give a strong push down real quick. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's the ES I know. All right, so some of those did get filled at 10.2, and I still got 4 contracts left. 3 of those are going to get filled at 10.6, and 1 contract to see whatever the hell wants to happen. Because, yeah, I'm not liking this price action. I don't like this price action at all. At all, at all, at all. Something's just telling me we're just going to chop. Not to say we don't push lower, but something's telling me we just chop. Personally, trading chop when I know it's gonna chop, it's no point. Like if you're a new trader and you don't know it's gonna chop, then by all means, I get that. But considering I'm very experienced and I know we're gonna chop, that'd be just foolish. Let's see if we can take out low today now. Three orders to get filled at 10.6, and then I'll just leave the last contract to do whatever the hell it wants to do. Lower. Thank you. It was slow today already. Would be nice. You could do it, ES. You could do it. Just dump. Give it to us. Alright, cool. Just got filled at 10.6. Alrighty. Good day, good day, good day, good day, good day. Just to be disciplined from one of your puts. And our version of averaging down was just taking SPX puts instead of QQQ puts, obviously. If we go lower past this, great. If we don't, great. I could care less. Great day. Great day. I have one single SPX contract left. If we keep going from here, great. If we pull back, great. I don't care. I don't care. Um, Good day. We made money. I'm on vacation and we made money, which I feel like is a good day because trading on vacation is like 50-50 for me. Like sometimes it's really good, and then other times it's like, what the hell were you doing? You should have just focused on your excursions. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna take today as a dub. We keep going lower, great. We don't, great. It is what it is. We made money. Everybody made money. Everybody made money. Okay, I have a small portfolio. Should I take the starter then wait for confirmation? No. With a small portfolio, you need to focus on the skill. Yeah, you need to focus on the skill. That's like the reality. I always keep it real with you guys. Everybody else might lie to you guys and be like, "Oh, do this, do that." Now, I'm gonna keep it real, whether you guys like it or not, and that's just my nature. So, yeah, with a small portfolio, focus on the skill, right? And that skill would be, can you consistently make money? Like if you can make money 4 days out of 5 days, right? Then at that given point in time, that's where you need to trust on your skill. And yes, when you do have a very small portfolio, you're gonna have to use about 20% of your portfolio. Like if you actually want to grow it, yes, you got to use 20%. There's no way around it. So even if you start with $1,000, right, you're gonna have to use about $200 per trade to where it's like actually worth it. Like the very least your portfolio should be like $1,000. Just realistic. With $1,000, you can grow it. You can grow with $100. I've done it before with $100, but obviously that was perfection. And my guess is you're saying you have a small portfolio, which would probably imply you don't have the skill level just yet. So yeah, um, it's gonna require perfection. If you just start off with $1,000 and you risk about 20%, it would take you to lose 5 trades in a row. Keep that in mind. Now, with that being said, even if you were to get stopped out of a trade, chances are you probably, let's just say you get stopped out 50%, right? It's only $100. You still get 900 more. Now let's just say, hey, that trade goes your favor. It goes 100% your direction. Well, now you just made $200. So you see that? 2-1 risk to reward. You get stopped out, cool. You lose 100. You profit, great. Make 200, great. Those are obviously all theoretical numbers, but just for you to understand the picture. And also, if you're growing a small account, SPX Power Hour, it's going to be your best friend. Trading right now is not going to be your best friend. Why? Because guess what? If price pulls all the way back to this little light blue range here, you're still not like bullish yet. It's just the lower time frames are offering retracement, which would kill these contracts. These contracts would literally go down minus like 80%, minus 70%, depending on how long we chop around and whatnot. So yeah, like you can't really deal with crazy retracements, which this time of the morning oftentimes likes to give crazy retracements. So like pretty much, hey, you made your move 9:30, we got the little move here, you got the pull back here, the push down, false rejection, false move pretty much, and then at this given point, after you have a big move like this, oftentimes price is probably gonna do something like this, boom, this, come back, chop, 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 chop in this range, go down, push back up, and then finally dump again. And you can't really deal with this price action on a small account. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. So you basically trade SPX Power Hour. It also looks like it's in midnight open range. Yeah, so this is my midnight open range as well right now. That's another reason why I was just like, hey, I kind of just want to get the hell out because oftentimes midnight open is a clean level for price to start to retrace. Like I said, we could easily retrace all the way back up to the top of this range, about 20 points from where we currently are. Um, And price would still be bearish. Oh my god, look at snow. Look at snow. Yeah. Anybody have any questions? Any questions whatsoever? Dev team will be sending out the accounts today for all the testers. So be on the lookout for that. I really love the website. You know what? I'm gonna show y'all a little sneak peek. I'll show y'all just a quick sneak peek. Quick sneak peek. Um, things are obviously gonna change as we improve them. Can I just full screen this? All right, let's see. All right, keep dragging this. That is not right. That is not right. Do not do anything. And I hope I'm not. Wait, did we? Oh no, we didn't go. No, 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 no. All right, so here's a quick little sneak peek. A quick sneak peek. Just keep it at that. Very quick, short, simple, and that is it. That's all we get to see for today. Everything's still getting fixed. Everything's still getting kinked out, worked out, and whatnot. Finalizing on some things. Hope you guys like it. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Options funding. Be on the lookout for options funding. No other prop firm. Every other prop firm, I don't know about. The options funding. That's all I know about. That's all I can talk about. And take profit. I love take profit. I'll vouch for them. Anybody else? I don't know. Like I can't even vouch for Top Step no more. Shit. A lot of firms are changing their ways, and I get it. The firm game isn't what it used to be. But honestly, that's a good thing for you guys. Like you guys gotta realize, like the fact is that prop firms are making their rules so like I wouldn't even say hard, but like limiting you. Lets you know how easy trading really is. And then also should give you like, I don't know, some type of level of confidence. Like props are literally changing their rules for a reason. They're not as profitable as they used to be. Like if you go into Apex court case is like completely public, by the way. These motherfuckers are doing like 40 million months. $40 million months. Months. 40 M's, not years, months. Months. Alrighty. Do we keep pushing lower or not? But hey, you're up 81% on snow. Snow, snowy snow. Snow, snow, snow. And it's funny because I know some of you guys, honestly, like I've been doing this long enough to where I know when people are like, and also you can just feel the energy of like your community and whatnot. And it's like, I know some people are like, man, what the fuck? What the fuck, man? Snow. I just lost money on snow, man. What the fuck? And it's like, you didn't lose money. You didn't lose money because we didn't close the trade. So you only lose when you realize it. And yeah, here we are today. I am actually gonna go ahead and trim some more. I gotta fill that 13. Cool. Alrighty. I'm calling in the morning. We had a good morning. This price action, it's not worth it. Enjoy life. That's something I preach a lot. Prioritize life over trading. Um, I used to be that trader, excuse me, that prioritized trading over life. Well, trading kind of is my life to an extent, but it's like you still got to put your life over trading. And if you put trading over your life and you basically become a slave to the market, it's only gonna hurt your trading. It's like the good morning message this morning told you guys, hey, live your life. Start living your life today. Do what you want to do. If you want to do, I don't know, you want to travel the world, take a trip today. Don't wait till, hey, you have X amount of dollars. That's the stupidest thing that I hear people say. It's like, hey, I'm going to start going to the gym once I lose 20 pounds. No, you moron. You start now to lose the 20 pounds, right? You start today. You don't wait till later. Same thing with life. You want to go, go to Africa and start a missionary. Start that today. Do it today. The little baby things you can achieve today so that, hey, at some point, trading takes off for you. Hey, you want to go open up a church now? You could do it. You've already built the foundation. Start today. But yeah, I'm going to leave you guys on that note. Hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. If I am awake, I will go live for Power Hour. If I'm not, well, you guys know why. I'm asleep. But on that note, have a blessed one. Don't give back any profits. Price is pretty much still bearish. Like I said, we really don't shift back bullish until we really close above like 6,900. So as long as we're below 6,900, we are still bearish. When you talk about snow and the path that was going, because wait, huh? When you talk about snow and the path that was going down, I'm gonna say, I'm guessing because was a typo. No higher high was made. Do you look at the time frame? Wait, huh? Do you look at that on the hourly time frame or the 195? All time frames essentially say the same thing. So I think too many traders get caught up on the time frame thing because it's like, okay, here's a good example. I can look at this on a 5 minute and I could see the same thing, same exact thing that I could see on the hourly. And you also see the same exact thing if you were to go to the 195. So the time frame doesn't really matter, truthfully. It's more so like, can you clearly identify the trend? Now, where the time frames are going to matter is obviously when you're trading things like ESNQ, where you more times than likely you're probably not going to be trading, I don't know, based off the 195 or the hourly level. But yeah, time frames, use all time frames. All time frames said the same thing. 195 said the same thing. Hourly says the same thing. Daily says the same thing. 5 minute, it says the same thing. That is something that's a little more advanced, but yes, with time, the longer you trade, the same, you could look at the 5 minute and instantly tell what's happening on the hourly just based off the 5 minute. So yeah, don't get too caught up on time frames. All of them kind of said the same thing. And we are about to enter the gap fill on snow. So yeah, gap fill gets completed at 157. And that's another good, I'm glad I kind of did this just now. Do you see I'm on a 5 minute and I was able to spot that gap fill, but if I was to like look at that hourly, I might not see it. Oh no, you still see it on the hourly too. But yeah, if I was to look at like a higher time frame, you might not see this gap. So yeah, use all time frames, brother. All of them. they're gonna tell you your story. And when all time frames tell you the same story, just gives you even more confidence that the trade's gonna work out. I don't think I spelled that right. Completed. What is this? 1/3, 157, 7.18. Spy puts, yeah, 53%. Let's go look how much we are. How much we're up on SPX. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I'm calling it a day. Everybody printed. Like, everybody. There's no way in hell I believe anybody took a loss. Following my trades, at least. Like, following my trades, no reason in hell you should have taken a loss. Um, like, no reason. None. Not buying it. If you took a loss, reach out. Reach out. Like, honestly, reach out. But yeah, great job today. Everybody printed. Hopefully everybody made money. Well, you better have made money. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Take care. Have a blessed one.